In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders in the New Balance online store. If you've ever made a purchase with New Balance, you might be wondering how to easily track or review those orders you've placed. Well, you are in the right place. I'm here to guide you through the straightforward process to ensure you know exactly where to find your order information. So let's dive in and make your online shopping experience as smooth as possible. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the New Balance website. Open up a web browser on your preferred device and type in their website address. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with New Balance's homepage filled with the latest shoes, apparel, and gear. To see your orders, you'll need to log into your account. If you look closely, you should see a little icon or a link at the top of the page that guides you to sign in or log into your account. Click on it, and if you haven't already set up an account, make sure you register first. For most of you though, simply enter your email and password and hit the login button. Once you've logged in, your next step is to find your order history. This is the section of the New Balance site that keeps track of all the purchases you've made. To find this, you'll want to navigate to your account section. Typically, you'll find your account link near where you logged in, often at the top right-hand side of the screen. Click on your account, which will then open up a new page with various options related to your shopping activity. In the account section, look for something labeled as order history or simply orders. This is where all the magic happens. Once you click on that, you will see a list of your past and current orders presented in chronological order. You will have access to detailed information on each order. This can include the date the order was placed, the items you purchased, shipping details, and any tracking information if it's available. This is super helpful if you're waiting on a delivery or just want a record of your past purchases. Checking your orders is crucial for keeping tabs on what you've bought, especially if you're an avid shopper like many of us. And that's it. You're all set. Now, whenever you shop with New Balance in the future, you'll know exactly where to find your order history with just a few simple clicks. If you have any additional questions or run into any issues, New Balance offers customer service via different channels, so don't hesitate to reach out to them for help. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.